That's my contact light. Oh, look. Oh. Alan and his crew left the building. I'm a bit concerned that it's in Muscles all today, and it's absolutely freezing out there. Jimmy's in here. Some did say. Which I didn't really want him to invade Muscles, space yet. But, yeah, just, he's been in here all day. Hey. So I do love art, so some people look at it like, I don't know, and it depends how you look at it, I suppose, but in my view, it's all good. It's just Batman, it's just a superhero, that's it, in my eyes. Not what they try to make him into. It's from a universe, different dimension. Yeah, look at that. Hello? Hey. Yeah, my contact light really works, doesn't it? Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put some music on that, but oh no, I can't do it. I'm just gonna have to do it without my Bluetooth on, because it seems to lose my signal on a night when that's on, right? And two, I can't do it for long because no storage. Oh, that's a delete already again. Oh, and get this. I've used 80% now of my data. I only put it in at 7. But anyway, that don't matter. But the point is, it does if I can't upload tonight because I haven't got my voucher in. I didn't even get a warning. Yeah. might not be able to upload as much as I'd like to in future because it's, got 2 extra mouths to feed this winter, and I was just putting money in the gas, aren't we? Got to keep it on all night. It's pretty easy and it is up here. And don't forget, doors mainly open if one of the cats are out, or, got to keep door open so I can get in. No way would I lock them out all night. And so, yeah, just have to keep eating on all night. Hey, hello? Yeah, do you know, like, it was very much like when I used to first start out on footages. I used to say, woman stalker, like that, don't I? Remember? That's for those who followed from, like, painstakingly followed from day one, like, yeah. And on roof, there's a short where he's on roof as well, on here, and in that property. I thought he were sticking 2 fingers up at me. Maybe I saw it there. Yeah, cool dude. Yeah, looks just like him like that. Yeah. Looks like I had Angel actually as well. Yeah. She does that with her blinking as well at me. Yeah. Oh, this is a bit freaky. It's like Angel with wings. Oh my god, yes, she's got Angel as well. Oh, yeah, it is. It's just like Angel with wings. No tail though, no. Oh. Whoa. Yeah, better not let her see that. Might freak her out. Whoa. That is cool. I knew she was special as well. I told you where she came from as well, didn't I? Yeah. Like, I think they all are. They've all come from. Because they wouldn't just turn up like this. I mean, I've never even housed a cat off at the streets before, ever in my life. It's what other people brought and, that other people didn't want. But, yeah. So each and every one of them, isn't there? They're here for a special reason, I know that. Special little mailing. Or, not, something tells me I'm not going to see him now. For a long time, at least. If I see him again. Look. Yeah, it's like bats flying in it as well. Just like bat people. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Defo then. Right, guys, best not waste what storage I've got or data. What's left, so I'll upload this. I've got to upload another one first. And then this, because, yeah, moon. So this is part 2, but inside. Hey, hello. Hi. Hey, look. Oh, wow. Yeah, serious. Yeah, Hello. Hahaha. Hello. Sayonara. I think it is. Listen, I kept sure until I look through it. Is it? No. Is it? Very full of energy, the high energy, though. Yeah. Listen, I'm not gonna say anything for definite, right? I need to have a look through it, don't I? Myself properly, and yeah, and I was telling this to her, sorry. Right, I'm gonna, I need to look at that properly. I could see a woman's face, right? But anyway, I'm just gonna, and it was very full of high energy, want to, a lot different to, oh, oh, the little woman's face, that's a child's face. Right, I need to have a look at this properly. When, right, like I said, I look high as well, isn't it? Yeah, see you too. See what's going on. I'm gonna put some. Ah. Right, guys, I'm gonna leave it at this, right, and then I'll put some music on. Right, bye for now.